How to create incrementing group column counter. Consider the following data set. How can I generate the expected value, expected group such that the same value exists when true, but changes and increments by 1, when we run into a false statement in case_id?
You can use difference to select only the first item of each stretch of true. If you don't want the intermediate column, output.
Let's use CumSum to create counter, then re-encode the counter using factorize.
Similar to Mosway's brilliant approach.
Se escuchar, es sinceramente el